Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever wondered why the world isn't just a boring black and white movie? What if, instead, the world is a giant, colorful party, and your eyes are the VIPs? Hey there, curious minds, welcome. Today, we're diving headfirst into the most amazing color show on Earth. How you actually see colors? Prepare to have your mind blown. Imagine your eyes as tiny, super-powered cameras. But instead of taking snapshots, they're constantly capturing the most vibrant, detailed, and downright beautiful images imaginable. And the coolest part? You don't even need to know the science behind it to enjoy the show. But trust me, understanding it makes it even more awesome. Think of it like this. You've got a secret superpower. The ability to see a rainbow, a sunset, a friend's smiling face, all because of the incredible science happening inside your head. Just like a detective needs clues, we're going to follow the light, the colors, and the amazing parts of your eyes to discover the magic. We're going to explore the tiny cells and light-bending tricks that paint your world. We'll turn invisible light waves into the dazzling colors you see every single day. It's like having a secret decoder ring for the universe, and we're about to unlock it together. Get ready to be amazed. Get ready to be curious. Get ready to see the world in a whole new light. Let's dive in and explore the amazing optics that make vision so vibrant. Stay curious. Alright, let's zoom in on the incredible world inside your eyes. Prepare to meet the tiny detectives that make color vision possible. Deep inside your eyes, you'll find special cells called cones. They're like little color detectives, each one expertly tuned to catch a specific color, red, green, or blue. Think of them as the ultimate color catching team. When light enters your eye, it bumps into these cones, and they send a secret signal to your brain. So, how does this tiny team create the whole rainbow? Well, your brain is a super smart mixer. It takes the signals from the red, green, and blue cones and mixes them together. This mixing is the magic behind all the colors you see. A fiery sunset, that's a mix of reds and oranges. A cool blue sky, that's the blue cones working their magic. Let's try a fun experiment. Imagine you have a red and a green filter. What color do you get when you put them together? The answer might surprise you. This is similar to how your eyes create other colors, like yellow or purple, by mixing the signals from your cones. Remember, always be careful when experimenting with light or color filters. Never look directly at bright lights. If you're trying this at home, make sure you have a grown-up to help. So, what's the weirdest color you can imagine? Something completely new and unexpected. Share your ideas in the comments below. Maybe we'll explore them in a future video. Stay curious. Now, let's unlock another secret of color. Why does that red shirt actually look red? It's all about light reflection. Prepare to have your understanding of color completely transformed. Here's the amazing truth. Objects don't actually have color. Instead, they reflect light. When light, which contains all the colors of the rainbow, hits your red shirt, the material absorbs most of the colors. But it bounces back the red light, and guess what? Your eyes pick up that reflected red light. It's like a super cool game of light tag. The object tags the light and sends a specific color signal back to you. If an object looks white, it's reflecting almost all colors. If an object looks black, it's absorbing nearly every single color. Mind-blowing, right? Let's try a simple demonstration. Imagine you shine a white light through a red filter. What happens? Only red light passes through. Now, shine that red light onto a blue piece of paper. What do you think you will see? Nothing, because the blue paper can't reflect red light. Remember, when you try this at home, always use safe, battery-operated lights. And make sure your filters are made of safe safe materials, no broken glass, please. Always have a grown-up nearby to help. So, what everyday object's color reaction surprised you the most after learning this? What was your biggest aha moment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious. Okay, let's give a shout out to the real star of the show, your brain, because it's not just your eyes that see color. Your brain is the ultimate color artist. Your brain takes the signals from your cones and interprets them, creating the rich, detailed color images you experience. It's like the ultimate mixing board, turning raw data into the vibrant world you see every single day. Pretty incredible, right? Now, let's tackle a question many people have. Why do some people see colors differently? We're talking about color blindness. But instead of thinking of it as a problem, let's think of it as a fascinating variation in how our amazing biological hardware works. Think of it this way. Imagine your brain has a mixing board. The red cones send a signal, and the green cones send another. The brain then mixes these signals to create the perception of yellow. You can actually simulate this. If you rapidly flash red and green lights, your brain can be tricked into seeing yellow. Amazing, right? Remember, safety first. When demonstrating light perception tricks, avoid flashing lights rapidly directly into anyone's eyes, especially if they have any history of seizures or photosensitivity. A grown-up should always be present when performing any experiment. What other senses do you think your brain mixes with vision to create your reality? Does what you hear affect what you see? Share your ideas in the comments below. Stay curious. Let's explore a fascinating aspect of vision, the hidden world of color variations. Prepare to have your perspective broadened. Did you know that most instances of what we call color blindness aren't about seeing no color at all? It's more about having difficulty distinguishing between certain colors, like red and green. Let's totally demystify this common variation. A common myth is that people who are colorblind only see in black and white. That's not quite right. We'll use an interactive chart to show how some people might see a different range of colors or have trouble differentiating shades. It's completely normal and totally fascinating. We can use Ishihara plates or similar color perception tests as a visual aid. We'll explain how these patterns are designed to be visible to those with typical color vision, but not to those with certain types of color deficiency. It's like a secret code for your eyes. These tests are for informational purposes only. They're fun to explore, but they shouldn't be used for self-diagnosis. If you have any concerns about your vision, always consult a professional. They're the real experts. What's one thing you learned about vision today that made you look at the world differently? What was your biggest takeaway from this chapter? Share your thoughts below. Stay curious. Get ready to have your mind twisted in the best possible way. Our eyes and brains are masters of interpreting color and light. Sometimes they play tricks on us. We're talking about optical illusions. Prepare to see things that aren't quite real. Let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Optical illusions aren't a sign that something's wrong with your brain. Instead, they're clever demonstrations of how our visual system works, processing information in ways that can surprise us. Your brain is constantly working, making sense of the world around you. We'll explore a classic illusion, the after-image effect. Stare at a bright color for a few seconds, then quickly look away at a white surface. What do you see? You might see a different color entirely. This happens because your cone cells get tired and send different signals to your brain. It's like a temporary color swap, a visual trick. When you try out these optical illusions, focus on a central point and avoid sudden movements. Remember, these are visual puzzles, not tests of your eyesight. They're a fun way to explore how your brain interprets the world. What's your favorite optical illusion? The one that always makes you do a double take? Share it in the comments below, and we might feature it in a future video. Stay curious. So, there you have it. We've journeyed deep inside your eyes, explored the science dance of light and uncovered the secrets of color. Seeing color is an incredible partnership between your eyes, the light around you, and your amazing brain. It's like Bill Nye showing us that even the simplest things, like how a ball flies, are governed by awesome science. Your vision is no different. It's a masterpiece of biology and physics. We started with a question: why isn't the world just black and white? And now, hopefully, you have a much better understanding of the answer. You are equipped to appreciate the intricate dance of light, the remarkable work of those tiny cone cells, and the incredible processing power of your brain. Next time you see a vibrant sunset, a colorful painting, or a friend's smiling face, remember those tiny color detectives working hard and the complex signals your brain is processing to bring that world to life for you. It's a truly amazing system. So, what's the biggest takeaway? What one thing will you remember the next time you experience the beauty of color? Keep asking how and why, because that's the first step to understanding the incredible world around you. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop wondering about the amazing science all around us. What other incredible mysteries of the world are you curious about? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.